joining me. I'm excited to see two songs that express that idea perfectly. Optimistic by Songs of Blackness and Tomorrow by Quincy Jones and Kevin Campbell.
All right. Yes. Y'all heard them songs, right? These kids gonna sing their hearts out. They're gonna sing their hearts out. They couldn't wait. Yeah, they couldn't wait till this day. Yeah, I know. Oh, they about to chill.
Keep pushing on and don't you look back. I know this feelings is right. Grab your elbow on life. Just think ahead and you'll be inspired to retire.
You sounded good. Uh-oh, torque it motor mouth. They can't help it.